Let's learn how to enable or disable screenshot toolbar. When we take a screenshot, we can see a screenshot toolbar on our bottom area. We can customize this. Let's learn how to customize this feature. Go to mobile settings and go to advanced features option. Click on this screenshots option. In here, you can customize this toolbar as you like. You can enable or disable this toolbar feature. If you enable this toolbar feature, you can capture long screenshot. You can crop and edit the screenshots, and you can share the screenshots using this toolbar. If you don't want to screenshot toolbar, you can disable it in here. You can change the screenshot file format in here, and you can change the screenshot saving location in here.